Today I am reviewing Dreo Portable AC515S. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dreo Portable Air Conditioner AC515S New is a game changer for anyone looking to beat the heat this summer. With a cooling power of 12,000 BTU OSHRI, 8,000 BTU DOE, this compact yet powerful unit can cover rooms up to 235 cubic feet, delivering instant and effective relief from hot and humid conditions. Whether you're setting it up in your bedroom, living room, or home office, this AC ensures that you stay comfortable no matter how high the temperature rises. One of the standout features of the Dreo AC515S is its drainage-free cooling system. Thanks to Dreo's patented algorithm, sensors, and pump, excess water is automatically evaporated, which eliminates the need for manual drainage, even in areas with up to 90% humidity. This makes it perfect for anyone seeking a hassle-free, low-maintenance air conditioner. Comfort and quiet operation go hand in hand with this model. Equipped with Dreo's patented noise isolation system, the AC operates at just 45 decibels, which is quieter than most conversation levels. You can comfortably use it in your bedroom at night, during work, or even while streaming your favorite shows without being disturbed by the usual compressor hum and turbulence noise. Additionally, the unit features 3 versatile modes: cool, fan, and dry, giving you full control over your indoor climate. Each mode includes multiple customizable functions, allowing you to tailor the cooling, fan speed, and humidity control exactly to your preference. Modern smart technology takes this air conditioner to the next level. The Dreo Smart Climate Control allows you to operate the unit using your voice with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Siri, or via the Dreo app on your smartphone. Through the app, you can monitor temperature, humidity, and even set a custom sleep curve to create the perfect sleeping environment. The large LED display clearly shows the settings, making it easy to adjust without any guesswork. This seamless integration of technology makes it one of the smartest portable AC units on the market today. Mobility and ease of installation are also key highlights. The AC515S comes with smooth caster wheels, allowing you to move it effortlessly from one room to another. It includes 4 modular window panels that fit both horizontal and vertical windows ranging from 17 to 53 inches, along with a 59-inch exhaust hose, so setup is straightforward and adaptable to most rooms. Whether you're a renter or want flexibility in placement, this portable unit makes cooling your space convenient and stress-free. Durability and customer support further elevate the Dreo AC515S. The unit is built to last, using high-quality components and energy-efficient R32 refrigerant. In addition, Dreo offers expert customer service available around the clock to answer any questions or provide assistance with setup and operation. With a 4.6-star rating from over 180 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the combination of performance, quiet operation, and smart features that this portable air conditioner delivers. In conclusion, the Dreo Portable Air Conditioner AC515S New is a versatile, powerful, and smart solution for beating the heat. Its combination of fast cooling, whisper-quiet operation, smart app and voice control, and easy portability makes it perfect for modern homes and apartments. If you're looking for a reliable air conditioner that requires minimal effort to maintain while delivering maximum comfort, this Dreo AC is a top choice. Say goodbye to hot and humid days and enjoy cool, comfortable air with ease.